Laksi.
6-3, biggest lead. Stopped by Soyun. White shirts. Combination play. Greta gets it through the block.
There you go, Greta.
Yes, for the cross.
A skid.
Skid.
And I feel like they want to turn around that, losses na kaya nilang baguhin or turn around yung mindset nila as a young team na, it will shape.
Lumilipad at tumitiklop ang pahayag ni Coach Sherwin about those scrimmages between NU and Creamline. In the meantime, naghahabol dito. Another free ball given away. Cal opens up. And an open spot again by Greta, finding the corner.
Greta, yung mga important score niya for the team na kung kailangan ng puntos, nandun siya.
Soltones finally stops the bleeding.
And it's dangerous for Cherry. Nice receive.
Jenna's been solid.
Yes.
Chance ball. Oh!
Wow.
Matulis yung drop ball.
For Akari, tig one hand sila doon. And, Greta was ready there.
Yep.
Very smart. Drop.
Victoria again in the middle. Cal. Soltones. Good delay on the off speed.
Nabor was frozen in her spot. Robles who reacted. Bilis ni Rob.
That ball. Ivy with a dig. Soltones pulls back. Galang again. That ball will send it over. Juanco. Ang hirap nun. Tama ginawa ni Faith. Just safely sends it over. Galang! Great pancake by Juanco. One more. Maraño is blocked. Galang on the other side. Laksina with a dig. Soltones swings. And it will go to the antenna and Akari scores.
That was an intense rally. Di ako humihinga, boo.
So it must have been prior to that. She's still shaking it right now. She's receiving.
But nakakapalo naman.
Yes.
So, I guess may certain movement that it triggers the pain.
She's asking for it now. Gets the point.
That's just the heart of this.
Fifi. To her national team teammate, Genierva. Cal. Soltones. 2 straight points here.
Are you fighting?
Good timeout by Coach Taka. 24 all. 1 set point save. Oh, that's a good spot. And Soltones gets the set point this time.
Defense ni Cherry Tigo. Kasi, ano na eh. Out of set. Nice serve.
Yeah, good serve. Chance for Akari here. Soltones. Looks like that hand is fine now.
Yes, and I
wanting them to lose that confidence and motivation, because when they are at their most confident, they play much better as a team. We're tied 1-all in sets right now in this match, but honestly, Bougainville, it could go either way.
Good first ball. Ara. Soltones. Again, no one for coverage. Bagal pa ng bola. Kaya. Greta. On tap.
Ooh, ace. Back-to-back points for her.
16. Sometimes looks awkward nga,
Yes.
actually.
Kasi ang bagal ng approach niya, pero ang bilis ng palo niya, tsaka may power. Free ball.
Free ball. Ravenna this time to
Nice.
Soltones. Hit out.
That was a nice set coming from
8 serving 12. Soltones with that swing. 18 points. Finish the job.
Kapit lang.
Oh. Good serve by Fifi. Adorador. Soltones again. Patuloy.
Yes.
Naomi score.
They're using the hands of the block.
Pride from Katmon Cebu. From yung fall niya kanina, naka-recover siya. For those who missed it.
Another one. Bawi. For that error for Greta Soltones.
So 16-10. Kari looking good.